Hello friends, today in this video we are watching the latest wardrobe design ideas. So friends, a wardrobe is not just storage unit but essential part of every bedroom design and functionality. It plays key role keeping the clothes, accessories and daily essentials and well organized while also enhance the overall aesthetic of the room. Modern wardrobe designs is combination style with utility. It's offering features like sliding doors, mirrors, or modular shelves, and even built-in lightnings. From sleek and contemporary look for traditional wooden finishes, wardrobes are available in wide ranges of materials, sizes, and styles to suit different taste and space requirements. Choosing the right wardrobe design ensure both beauty and practicality, and making your bedroom more elegant and clutter-free. And well-designed wardrobe is maximize the storage, especially in the compact homes. Custom solutions like sliding doors, built-in units, or modular design. It's it's make efficient use of space and thoughtfully wardrobe design with compartments, shelves, drawers, and hanging doors. Ensure items are neatly arranged and easy to find of reducing clutter and saving time. And wardrobes contribute to the room overall look. Modern designs and materials like wood, glass, or mirrors and finishes can complement your home style and